My name is Roy and I'm the project manager of Rijkswaterstaat. And we are standing in front of the biggest bridge in the Netherlands, from Brienenoord Bridge.
Yeah, and I'm Sabine Delrue from Arup, and together with Rijkswaterstaat we work already for many years on this project. So the location is very special. The connection to the port of Rotterdam is this waterway, and the bridge itself is one of the busiest bridges in the Netherlands. So that was the reason we couldn't just say we close the bridge for a couple of months and replace it.
The biggest challenge is the hindrance for the traffic. This bridge is located in the A16. It's 12 traffic lanes. So when we renovate the bridge here, it will cause a lot of traffic jams. So we need to find an innovative solution.
We see it as a common goal to renovate the bridge, to replace one bridge, but also to keep one bridge. I think this is the special of the project. That we take out one bridge as a whole, 300 meters span, lift it out and bring it to another place and renovate that one and keep most of the steel still as a bridge. So we were talking about working as partners, but not only on the technical side of the project and on the management, but also I think the values of Arup and RHDHV and RWS are quite aligned concerning sustainability, because we're making a lot of effort to keep one of the bridges as a bridge with a new lifespan of 100 years.
We did not make the decision to make 2 new bridges, but we reuse one bridge. So we reuse 3,000 tons of steel. And that's, in my opinion, it's very good.
Yeah, this is great. It's not easy. Making a design for a renovation is harder than a new build. We really feel that we're one team with one common goal. It feels like we are one and not that there's a client relationship, but more like partners.